If you want to block any installed app on Samsung Galaxy Tab A11, in that case what you can do is we can open settings. On the left side we're gonna scroll down in order to find digital well-being and parental controls. And over here you should be able to find app timers. You want to tap on the text itself, and if you are not setting up app timer immediately, then you can tap on this plus button in the upper right corner. Now over here we can set the name for the timer, so I'm just gonna name it block apps. Of course you can name it however you want to. You can also change the icon over here. Now go to tap to select item, and now we can choose apps that should be blocked. So let's say I'm gonna choose Spotify. I'm gonna also choose this game over here, and maybe let's see, maybe WhatsApp. Why not? We can tap on done over here. Now we can press add schedule, and you want to make sure that the schedule is set to 00 over here, and you can also choose days of the week during which these apps should be blocked. Of course you can keep it as it is, so then every day will be included, and we can press save. So now if I try to open any of these apps, let's go to the app drawer. And there we go, I have Spotify. If I try to open it, I will get this message that the timer ran out. I can do the same thing with every other app that I have selected. Of course, later on we can still edit these timers if you want to. But what I can also recommend you to do is you can create a password to digital well-being settings and parental controls, of course. So over here we can tap on these three dots in the upper right corner and go to settings. Next we have set pin option. So you can create a unique pin code for digital well-being settings, and whenever you or anyone else will try to change something with app timers, then they will have to enter that pin code. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.